Ever wonder how to make a continuous binding when you need a lot for a project? This method is a real time saver. It uses just 2 seams and avoids cutting multiple strips and sewing them together one by one. Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the Seam Type series. If you're new here, be sure to explore the other videos in this playlist. Calculating your fabric, let's start by working out how much fabric you'll need. Measure all the seams that require binding and add them together. In my case, the total binding needed equals 10 meters or 1,000 centimeters. Next, work out the width of the binding. In my case, that is 3 centimeters. Multiply the length of binding by the width. For me, that comes to 3,000 centimeters. Next, work out the square root of that number. In my case, that comes to 54.77 centimeters, which I rounded up to 55 centimeters. Note, I googled the square root because my calculator didn't have that function. Add 2 centimeters for 2 lots of seam allowance. For me, that equals 57 centimeters. I also rounded that up to 58 centimeters. Cut a square 58 by 58 centimeters. Note that these calculations work the same for imperial figures. Once you've ruled out your square on your fabric, label the top and bottom edges A and the side edges B. Cut the square diagonally in half. Place the A edges right sides together, aligning the corners for a 6mm seam allowance. That will create small triangles extended at each end. Sew with a 6mm seam allowance. Press the seam open. With the wrong side facing up, mark parallel lines across the fabric at your binding width. In my case, I'm using 3 centimeters apart. Bring the B edges together. Offset the fabric 1 strip so the lines no longer match edge to edge but step across by 1 row. Pin carefully, matching the lines at the 6mm seam allowance points. Sew the seam at 6mm. Press the seam open. Finally, cut along the marked lines. This will create one long continuous strip of binding. And that's it, your continuous binding is ready. This method is quick, efficient and perfect when you need longer lengths without the extra joins. If you'd like to see how to attach binding, check out my binding tutorial where I cover multiple ways to sew binding. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.